This was once a finished painting, but today I'm painting over it. I thought it was done months ago, and honestly, I liked how it turned out back then. But as it sat here in my studio, something kept nudging me, a quiet feeling that it wasn't quite right. Today I'm reflecting on painting large intuitive abstracts. I know a lot of you enjoy my videos where it feels like you're right in the studio with me. So I'll try and explain my thoughts and process as I paint. I wanted to make a really bold move to disrupt the canvas and give me something new to respond to. That's why I'm using this really bright pink, even though I don't want it to be a predominantly pink painting. A lot of this will be covered in the end. And since it was already a finished painting, there's already a rich base layer, but I'll still add marks and cover a lot of this up. Here's my palette for this painting session. I'm mixing up a warm gray to cover some areas. I have titanium white, cerulean blue, quinacridone magenta, and yellow ochre. All the supplies are listed in the video description. I mix these three colors together with white in various amounts to get some really beautiful shades. They're so much more interesting than colors straight from a tube. You'll see a beautiful rich, dark greenish gray coming up that's mostly cerulean blue, yellow ochre, and just a touch of the magenta. I absolutely love this color. Let me know in the comments if you're interested in color mixing, and I'll do a video about that. A lot of what I'm doing next is like a dance. I make a mark and add some paint, and then I cover it up. And I do this over and over. It's a back and forth and all very intuitive. I think this is the part that scares a lot of people. It's not like when you're painting something that's realistic. Like if you're painting an apple, you know what an apple looks like and you can fairly easily paint a representation of it. But into an intuitive abstract, you're painting feelings and you're painting emotions, and that can be scary. So much of intuitive abstract is finding your own true self, your true voice. So I say, just relax and go with the flow. It's only paint, and you can always paint over it. When you paint intuitively like this, you learn to trust yourself, to respond to what the canvas is telling you, and to embrace the unexpected. Every layer, every mark, every adjustment is a choice, and that's what makes each painting unique. I'm going to leave this painting here for today, but I already know that I'll have to cover up some areas with the light warm grays and perhaps some white. It definitely needs more breathing space. Stay tuned for part 2 of my next video coming up, where I'll finish this painting for good. If you enjoyed watching this painting evolve, I'd love for you to give it a like and share it with someone who's learning to paint or exploring their own creative process. And if you'd like to see more large abstract paintings come to life in real time, please subscribe. There's more painting, process, and inspiration ahead. Thanks for watching.